Good morning, guys. So far this morning I've gotten the gear set back into the lower case half. In this video I'm going to show you putting this thing back together and putting the case halves together, torquing them. I'm going to run through the torque specs as well. I'll have those posted in this video for you to have. You can screenshot it or whatever you want to do. For the case halves I'm going to be using the right stuff. For the black gasket, sealant maker, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, we got some snow coming out right now again. And so what better place to be than in the garage? Happy for my trusty heater, that's for sure. But yeah, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. And we'll have some more updates as we continue to progress on this little project we got going on. Okay, we're just wrapping it up here. We got the case halves together, sealed, torque, PTO housings on, put the shift tower on, cycled through the gears. Everything felt good for, you know, dry shifting per se. But everything spun freely and everything moved, sounded correct. So pleased about that. One thing I did notice is this retaining input shaft retaining cover. Take note of where that is lining up right now. And then let's go over and take a look at the old input shaft. So in my last video, the theory was that was a clutch disc. And I was kind of trying to wrap my head around it because typically they wouldn't be that narrow. You'd have like a flange on that, right? So the more I thought about it, I was like, that doesn't make sense. But this, with the input shaft shield, it looks pretty close right there in that retaining shield. So I am thinking that's what caused that groove mark. Now, I don't have much side-to-side play on this. And maybe foolish me, my excitement got the best of me. I didn't look super thoroughly. I took it apart because I wanted to see the guts of this thing. But so far, super happy with where we're at with progress. Not too many casualties. I did get silicone on my pants when I was torquing bolts. Poor Levi's, but I think we can get some stain remover on those. But yeah, keep following along. I'll have more updates as we get more parts. Hopefully some land this week, and we can carry on and get this thing swapped in.